you all learn about what are the medicinal and aromatic crops. First of all, what is meant by the medicinal and aromatic crops, then their uses, their importance, origin, then distribution, area, production, and the climatic requirements, soil requirements, then how they can be propagated, then nursery techniques which is applied to generate the new plants, then planting and aftercares, then cultural practices, then training and pruning. Some horticultural, special horticulture practices are needed. Then its nutritional importance, then water requirements, and at the end, the yield of the crops. So as like your fruit crops, these medicinal and aromatic crops are also important. Means by commercially these aromatics and medicinal plants are cultivated, and the farmers get good returns from by this cultivation of medicinal and aromatic crops, because these have the separate market. Okay, so for this study purpose, this is essential. So get thoroughly this course, and if you have any extra knowledge or extra notes, you can collect from Google and read it. Okay, because in one this 3 months or 4 months period is not sufficient to study these medicinal and aromatic crops, but it is a most important medicine most important topic in your syllabus. We can say most important course. Okay, जर तुम्हाला कोणाला याच्यामध्ये काम करायचं असेल, मेडिसिनल आणि अरोमॅटिक क्रॉप्स म्हणजे ह्या ह्या विषयाला धरून किंवा याच्यात काही फ्युचर करायचं असेल, तर खूप चांगला स्कोप आहे. तुम्ही हा कोर्स आता व्यवस्थित स्टडी पण करा. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला काही वाटत असेल की तुमच्याकडे त्याचं कल्टिवेशन होऊ शकतं, तर अशा पण पद्धतीने तुम्ही त्याचा विचार करा की त्याचं कल्टिवेशन करून पुढे कमर्शियली तुम्ही त्याचं मार्केटिंग करून किंवा त्याच्यापासून प्रोडक्ट बनवून, कारण याच्यामध्ये प्रचंड स्कोप आहे. ठीक आहे. So here is the lectures for this course: history, scope, opportunities and constraints in the cultivation and maintenance of medicinal and aromatic plants in the India. So what are the scope and what are the important opportunities for the cultivation of these medicinal plants? Then again, if there is opportunity, so there will be a constraint. So what are these those constraints which also we have to study? Then importance, origin, distribution, area, production, climatic and soil requirements, then propagation and nursery techniques which is followed for the cultivation, then planting and aftercare, means special horticultural practices like training, pruning and other practices which is to be followed, that can be studied. Then nutritional importance, which is very important for the medicinal and aromatic crops, because without the knowing of these medicinal important or nutritional important, we cannot get aware of the importance of that particular crop. So nutritional important is again important factors during the study of these medicinal and aromatic plants. Then water requirements. So the as like your horticultural crops, these water requirement are specific for these medicinal and aromatic crops, which we have to study. Then ultimately the yield or the production of these crops. Then plant protection measures, then harvesting and processing, then under mentioned important medicinal and aromatic plants. So after the harvesting, some post harvest practices or the processing of these medicinal and aromatic crops is going on. So what are the processing or the post harvest management is carried out in this post harvest in this medicinal and aromatic crops, which is we have to study. They study the chemical composition of few important medicinal and aromatic plants. Then how this chemical constituent can be extracted. Then after the extraction, how this can be used, and the economics of these drugs and essential oils in the medicinal and aromatic plants, it can be studied. So a few important medicinal and aromatic crops can be studied in this way, so which have the commercial value that can be studied in detail. Then therapeutic and the pharmaceuticals uses of the important species Then storage techniques of the essential oils and the medicinal plants and other species relevant to the local condition. So these medicinal and aromatic crops having the some pharmaceuticals values. Okay, so that we have to study. Then all these medicinal and aromatic plants having the essential oil content. So a main component of this medicinal and aromatic crop is the chemical constituent, that is the essential oil. So essential oil is very essential for the all the our metabolic activity. Then some diseases can be cured with the help of these essential oils, so that will be helps for the curing the some diseases. Okay, so that's why how these essential oils can be extracted, that can be studied in this course. Then after the extraction, how this essential oil can be stored, so that can be studied in this course. Then some essential medicinal and aromatic plants, here is the list of some essential plants, that is the Withinia, then periwinkle, Safed Musuri, then Arjun Beheda, then Ravolfia, Discoria, then aloe vera, isabgol, opium poppy, then choti pimpli, then amnimagus, then malodona, wild brinjal, then citronella grass, khas grass, then cinchona, then paranthemum and hirida. So these are the medicinal plants, so which is essential. So essential oil can be extracted from these medicinal plants. Then some aromatic plants are also there. So lavender, then geranium, patchouli, bursera, mentha, musk, then ocimum, lemongrass, tikhdi, and other species relevant to the local condition and its marketing. So again, these aromatic crops are also important for this according to this syllabus. So this is your syllabus for the theory class, and here is the practical for your practical session. The collection of the medicinal and aromatic plants from their natural habitat. So we have to collect these medicinal and aromatic plants. So you have to prepare this album, or the uh, as like your weed album, you have to prepare the medicinal and aromatic plants are album. Okay, collection, then give its botanical name, family, origin. Okay, whatever can be written on that page, we will discuss later, but keep in mind we have to prepare the medicinal and aromatic plants album. Okay, last year student also prepared. Then identification of the medicinal and aromatic plants. So we have the picture. So this is the virtual platform for study. So we give the medicine list of the medicinal plants and medicinal and aromatic plants, and their pictures. So these pictures can be shared with you, so you can go through that medicinal and aromatic plants. Okay, the next is the study of the morphological description of the medicinal and aromatic plants. So morphological description can be studied of these medicinal and aromatic plants, that is Withinia, periwinkle, then Safed Musri, Arjun Beheda, then Rolfia, Dioscorea, then aloe vera. Then study of the morphological description of the medicinal and aromatic plants, that is isabgol, opium poppy, then pimpli, then amnimagus, then belladonna, wild brinjal, citronella grass, khas grass, then cinchona, paratherium, and hirida. Then again the lavender, geranium, patchouli, bursera, mentha, musk, then lemongrass, tikhadi. So these are some aromatic plants which have to study. The nursery techniques, which is essential for the establishment of the nursery of these medicinal and aromatic plants, which can be also studied. The next practical is the harvesting of the medicinal and aromatic plants, that is Withinia, periwinkle, Safed Musri, Arjun Behda, then Dioscorea, then aloe vera. So harvesting practices can be studied. Then harvesting of the some aromatic plants, that is isabgol, opium poppy, then pimpli, amnimagus. So some same aromatic and medicinal plants we have to study. Then uh, curing and processing techniques of these medicinal and aromatic plants. So same, how that they can be cured, how they can be processed. So special processing can be done for the preserving these quality or preserving the essential oil. So some practices are to be studied in these practicals. The next is the extraction of the essential oil in medicinal and aromatic plants. Then extraction of the essential oil from the aromatic plants. So some practical based uh, practical sessions are also there. So extraction is again a technique. So for that purpose, we using the Soxhlet apparatus for the extraction of the fats and oil. Okay, we have these apparatus in our college, and last year we extracted the essential oil from the lemongrass. If your college is started so offline, so we can also extracted the essential oil practically. So this is all about your theory and practical. Okay, so from next lecture, which will be in Tuesday, 3 to 4. Okay, so we will take the first lectures of our this course, history, scope, opportunities and constraint in the cultivation and maintenance of the medicinal and aromatic crops. Okay, so give me the attendance. Roll number 1. आहे का? 2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4.
Present.
4 is there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Yes, madam.
21, 22, 23,
Present, ma'am.
22, 23,
Yes, ma'am.
24, 25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27, 28, 29,
Present, ma'am.
28, okay, 29, 29, 29, 30, 31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 33,
Yes, madam.
34, 35, 30,
Present, ma'am.
34 is there. Then 35.
Oh, madam, I'm
Okay, okay.
Present, ma'am.
35, 36, 37, 30,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40.
Present, ma'am.
आधीच्या बॅचचे कोण कोण आहेत? हो, लावली.
Hello.
Madam, 41.
एक मिनिट, एक आणि सांगा.
Hello, ma'am.
41.
27 present.
ओके, 27.
27, ma'am.
ओके, अजून
14, ma'am.
सांगितलं, लावली. अजून
Madam 15.
नेक्स्ट.
मॅडम 2018-40.
हा प्रिव्हियस बॅचचे सांगून घ्या. 2018चे 11 दिसतं इथे, अजून 40.
Yes, ma'am.
आणखीन कोणी आहेत तुमच्या बॅचचे?
2017-13. मॅडम 2017-13.
ओके. आणखीन
2017-28.
ओके. अजून 18च्या बॅचचे आहेत कोणी? दोघच आहेत का तुम्ही? अंजली तुम्ही दोघेच आहात की अजून कोणी आहे 2018च्या बॅचचं?
आहेत मॅम पण आले नाहीये.
ओके ओके ठीक आहे. आणि 2017चे गावित आणखीन कोण कोण आहेत तुमच्या सोबत?
2 गावले मॅडम एक.
बरं 2-3 जण आहेत का मग तुम्ही अजून? ठीक आहे, त्यांना पण सांगा लेक्चर्स अटेंड करत जा. मग ऐन वेळेस एक्झामच्या वेळेस मग फिरत राहता इकडे तिकडे. ठीक आहे, रेग्युलर अटेंडन्स असली ना तर तुम्हाला पेपर द्यायला पण काही प्रॉब्लेम येत नाही, स्पेशली प्रॅक्टिकल. ओके. So with this we end this lecture. On Monday we take the first lecture. Okay.